See, we got to get the washer in first, and then you can shove the bolt in there. Let's see if we can capture this here. So there's one. I'm gonna shove the bolt in there, make sure it's nice and flat. Take the screwdriver, work it in a little bit. Kind of tricky to do, especially filming it. See. Let's see here. Right there. So see, once you shove this plastic sleeve up enough and you can get the bolt in like that, then you'll start pushing up right here with the screwdriver, and then that'll actually tilt in there. Just push up, take your finger, push on the bolt. There we go, popped it right in the frame. There we go, just like that. And there we go, washer, you can only turn so far. And that's it. You have to disconnect your vent for the gas tank. You can't slide the sleeve out because it's on the inside of the frame by the gas tank. So you just move the hose forward. Once you're done, straighten it back out, take your hose, put it back to the original location, and pop it back up right in there.